Hello friends, my name is Mudassar Manzoor and I welcome you all in this new initiative of computer awareness, which is going to be special for you people that will help you in different competitive exams like in banking, SSC, JK, SSB, UGC NET, police, railway and in other state level exams. As आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं some special features of this series. It include chapter wise discussion in notes forum, chapter wise question bank with each chapter wise collection of previous year questions including with 5 practice sets. So this is going to be the most important section for you people that will help you in banking, PO clerk, SSC, JK, SSB, UGC NET, police, railway and in other state level recruitments. And through this entire series we are going to cover almost all the syllabus and मैं students से request करता हूँ कि वो revise करें each chapter, each part at least twice and they can also practice MCQs, PYQs as well before their examination. इसके अलावा मैं आपको ऑल्सो बता दूं अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स स्पेशली आप टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं जहां मैं आपसे PDF शेयर करूंगा। अदरवाइज़ अगर आपको कोई क्वायरी डाउट या अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल ज़रूरत हो देना मुझे ऑल्सो मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल। And currently we are doing some important MCQ PYQs that are important from your exam point of view और हमने ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट किया है MCQ सेट 1 ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। अगर आपने अभी तक उस वीडियो को नहीं देखा आप जाके उसको ऑल्सो देख सकते हैं इन विच वी हैड डिस्कस्ड एट लीस्ट 20 क्वेश्चंस and today this will be our second set of this chapter. So let's start with the question number 22. The first question is, which of the following is a lever that can be moved in several directions to control the movement of an image on a computer monitor or similar display screen? This question had been already asked in SSC CHSL 2019. Your options are 1. MIDI devices, 2. Optical mark reader, 3. Visual display unit and 4. Joystick. Here the correct answer is option 4. Joystick. Joystick जो है it is a lever or you can say it is a stick like device जिसको हम मूव कर सकते हैं in multiple directions in order to control movement or cursor on the computer monitor or on the display screen. एंड जॉयस्टिक जो है इसको कॉमनली यूज़ किया जाता है इन गेमिंग, फ्लाइट सिमुलेटर्स एंड इन सर्टेन इंडस्ट्रियल एप्लीकेशंस। एंड जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 4 है दैट बिकम्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अनदर क्वेश्चन। द क्वेश्चन इज which one of the following is not an output device? This question had been already asked in SSC CGL 2018. Your options are 1. Projector, 2. Headphone, 3. Plotter and 4. Joystick. Here the correct answer is option 4. Joystick. Let's see the explanation. Among the given options, जो joystick है it's not an output device but rather it is an input or we can say it is a pointing device. If we talk about option 1 projector, जो projector है display visual output on to the screen which makes it output device. Then option 2 जो है headphones जो है these are connected to the computer or other electronic devices जो कि प्रोड्यूस करते हैं ऑडियो आउटपुट को जो कि आल्सो आउटपुट डिवाइसेस हैं। देन ऑप्शन 3 जो है प्लॉटर जो है इट इज़ जनरली ए लार्जर देन प्रिंटर्स और इसको जनरली यूज़ किया जाता है टू प्रिंट वेक्टर ग्राफिक्स एंड प्लॉटर जो है दीज आर आल्सो द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ आउटपुट डिवाइसेस। देन ऑप्शन 4 जॉयस्टिक विच इज़ आवर करेक्ट आंसर। जो जॉयस्टिक है इट इज़ बेसिकली एन इनपुट डिवाइस जिसको हम यूज़ करते हैं टू कंट्रोल मूवमेंट और एक्शंस इन गेमिंग एंड सिमुलेशंस। हैंस जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 4 है दैट बिकम्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ लेट्स प्रोसीड टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द क्वेश्चन इज CAD stands for. This question had been already asked in SSC CGL 2014. Your options are 1. Computer automatic design, 2. Computer aided decode, 3. Computer automatic decode and 4. Computer aided design. Here the correct answer is option 4. Computer aided design. Let's see the explanation. CAD it stands for computer aided design. जिसको बेसिकली यूज़ किया जाता है टू क्रिएट और टू मॉडिफाई और एनालाइज ऑप्टिमाइज डिज़ाइंस इन वेरियस फील्ड्स सच एज इंजीनियरिंग, आर्किटेक्चर एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग। है जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 4 है दैट बिकम्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर। लेट्स डिस्कस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द क्वेश्चन इज dash dash is generally used in applications like ATM, hospital, airline reservation, etc. Your options are 1. Light pen, 2. Touch screen, 3. Joystick and 4. Trackball. Here the correct answer is option 2, touch screen. Let's see the explanation. जो टच स्क्रीन है इसको जनरली यूज़ किया जाता है इन वेरियस एप्लीकेशंस लाइक इन एटीएम्स, हॉस्पिटल्स, एयरलाइन रिजर्वेशंस एट्सेट्रा, जो कि बेसिकली प्रोवाइड करते हैं इंटूटिव और इंटरेक्टिव इंटरफेस फॉर यूजर्स सो दैट they can directly interact with these systems by touching the display. Hence जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 2 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the next question. The question is, which one does not related to mobile phone touch panel sending methods? This question had been already asked in RRB NTPC 2016. Your options are A, finger touch, B, voice recognition, C, glove touch, and D, light transmittance. You have to choose your correct option from the given codes below. 1B, 2A, 3D, and 4C. Here the correct answer is option 1B, that is voice recognition. Let's see the explanation. From the given options, one option जो कि हमें डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड नहीं देखने को मिलता है टू द मोबाइल फ़ोन टच पैनल सेंडिंग मेथड इज दैट इज़ वॉइस रिकॉग्निशन. बिकॉज इफ वी टॉक अबाउट फिंगर टच, जो फिंगर टच है इट इज़ अ प्राइमरी मेथड थ्रू विच जो यूजर्स हैं दे कैन ईजिली इंटरेक्ट विद द मोस्ट ऑफ द टच बेस्ड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस जो कि बेसिकली ट्रैक और सेंस करते हैं फिंगर टच ऑन द स्क्रीन. देन क्लोज टच, in most of the modern touch screen electronic devices वो हमें सेंसिटिव एनएप देखने को मिलता है जो कि डिटेक्ट करते हैं टच आउटपुट को इवन व्हेन द यूज़र इज़ वेयरिंग स्पेशल ग्लव्स. और ये जो स्क्रीन्स हैं दी स्क्रीन स्टिल वर्क बाय ट्रैकिंग चेंजेस इन इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्ड्स और प्रेशर इवन थ्रू द ग्लव मटेरियल. देन लाइट ट्रांसमिटर्स, in some touch screens like in optical touch screen, light beams जो है that are transmitted across the surface of the screen, and when a finger or any object touches the screen they use sensors and beams to detect the exact location of the touch based on the where light was blocked. Then voice recognition जो है which is our correct answer. Voice recognition है it is a way to give input to the device by using spoken words instead of touch, and unlike touch screen method जो कि डिटेक्ट करते हैं फिजिकल कंटेक्ट और चेंजेस को ऑन द स्क्रीन सरफेस, जो वॉइस रिकॉग्निशन है इट वर्क्स बाय एनालाइजिंग साउंड वेव्स एंड कन्वर्ट्स देम इनटू द कमांड्स और टेक्स्ट. while जो वॉइस रिकॉग्निशन है इट कैन आल्सो कंट्रोल a device like it can open apps or it can type something, but again it is not involved in the touch panel directly because there is no physical interaction with the screen that takes place. And so हमारा option number 1 है that is our correct answer. Now let's discuss another question. The question is, the pattern or printed lines on most products are called. Your options are 1 prices, 2 OCR, 3 scanner, and 4 barcodes. Here the correct answer is option 4 barcodes. Let's see the explanation. The pattern or printed lines जो कि हमें देखने को मिलते हैं on most of the products these are called as barcodes. Now what are barcodes? जो barcodes है these are nothing but the patterns of lines and spaces जो कि machine or any other electronic devices easily read कर सकते हैं. Barcodes जो हैं these basically hold or store important information regarding the ID number, brand and price of the product. और ये जो बारकोड्स हैं इनको जनरली यूज़ किया जाता है इन स्टोर्स एंड वेयर हाउसेस टू क्विकली आइडेंटिफाई एंड मैनेज प्रोडक्ट्स स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग चेकआउट और इन्वेंट्री ट्रैकिंग. है जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 4 है दैट बिकम्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ लेट्स प्रोसीड टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज barcode reader is an example of. Your options are 1 processing device, 2 storage device, 3 input device, and 4 output device. Here the correct answer is option 3 input device. Let's see the explanation. Barcode reader जो है it is an example of input device because जो barcode scanners हैं they read the barcode and converts the pattern of lines into the digital data. और ये जो डेटा है इसको फर्दर सेंड किया जाता है टू द कंप्यूटर इन ऑर्डर टू आइडेंटिफाई द प्रोडक्ट्स एट चेकआउट काउंटर्स और इन्वेंट्री स्टेशंस. एंड जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 3 है दैट बिकम्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर. Let's discuss another question. The question is, an optical input device that interpret pencil marks on the paper media is dash dash. This question had been already asked in IBPS RRP PO Maze 2017. Your options are 1. OMR, 2. Punch card reader, 3. Optical scanners, 4. Magnetic tapes, and 5. Stylus. Here the correct answer is option 1. OMR. OMR जो है is an optical input device जो कि interpret और analyze करता है pencil marks on the paper, and OMR जो है it stands for optical mark reader. Basically OMR optical mark reader technology है जो है it works by shining the light onto the paper form जो कि detect करते हैं where the light is absorbed by pencil marks or reflected by blank areas. And this basically helps a computer to quickly read filled answers on test surveys and similar forms. Hence जो हमारा option number 1 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the next question. The question is, the OCR is used for the presentation of. This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk 2013. Your options are 1. Electrical bills, electricity bills, 2. Insurance premium, 3. Telephone bills, 4. All of these, and 5. None of these. Here the correct answer is option 4. All of these. Let's see the explanation. Electricity bills, insurance premiums, and telephone bills, all of these are the common applications जिनमें OCR that is optical character recognition technology जो है that is used. और ये जो OCR softwares हैं, these softwares scan documents and converts printed or typed text into the machine readable text. And OCR technology जो है it help companies in extracting data automatically. Like जो OCR technology जो है it allows system to read printed or handwritten text from documents जो कि automatically capture करते हैं details को such as account number, due dates and amounts that जो कि basically eliminate करते हैं need for manual data entry. Then in processing payments more efficiently, information extracted from bills or invoices that can be automatically used to streamline bills and payment workflows. And ये जो automation है it minimizes manual data entry and it reduces errors and it speeds up the transaction processing that leads to the faster and more accurate payments. Then in archiving and search documents, OCR technology जो है it converts scanned images into the editable searchable text which makes it easier to store, organize and retrieve documents जो कि ultimately improve करते हैं efficiency को in managing large amounts of information in digital archives. Therefore जो OCR technology है it is a valuable tool for processing large amounts of documents. And जो हमारा option number 4 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. The question is, the OCR recognizes dash dash of the characters with the help of light source. Your options are 1. Size, 2. Shape, 3. Color, and 4. Used link. The correct answer is option 2, that is shape. Let's see the explanation. OCR, that is optical character recognition, it basically recognizes the shape of the characters with the help of light source. And here is how OCR functions. First जो light beam है that shines on the text, then जो sensors है वो detect करते हैं light को जो कि reflect back करते हैं light को. Then software जो है that looks at the patterns of light and dark which show the shapes and letter of numbers. Then further it compare the shapes into the database of known characters in order to recognize and convert them into the digital text. However जो key है for OCR to recognize characters is the shape and contrast of the ink against the paper. और जो actual type और जो color है ink का that matters less than how clearly the characters stand out for the light sensors to detect them. So जो presence है ink और shape of characters की वो हमें essential देखने को मिलती है. Hence जो हमारा option number 2 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let's discuss another question. The question is, what does MICR stands for? This question had been already asked in 2014. IBPS Clerk 2014 and RBI Grade B 2014. Your options are 1. Magnetic ink character register, 2 magnetic ink code reader, 3 magnetic ink code register, 4 magnetic ink character recognition, and 5 magnetic ink cases reader. Here the correct answer is option 4, magnetic ink character recognition. Let's see the explanation. MICR, that is magnetic ink character recognition technology जो है इसको वाइडली यूज़ किया जाता है इन बैंकिंग फॉर प्रोसेसिंग चेक्स क्विकली एंड एक्यूरेटली. बेसिकली जो स्पेशल मैग्नेटिक इंक है दैट अलो MICR readers to easily detect and read the printed characters even if the document is slightly dirty or damaged, which makes checking processing more efficient and secure. Hence जो हमारा option number 4 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the next question. The question is large amounts of checks are processing by using. Your options are 1 OCR, 2 MICR, 3 OMR, and 4 all of these. Here the correct answer is option 2 MICR. Let's see the explanation. Large amounts of checks that are processed by using MICR, that is magnetic ink character recognition technology. As discussed earlier, जो MICR है it use magnetic ink and standardized fonts in order to make check processing more fast, secure and highly accurate. Because जो characters होते हैं on MICR that are magnetically encoded and जो systems हैं that easily detect and verify them even if these markers even if there are markers stamps or on the check. And this also reduce fraud risks and human errors जो कि हेल्प करते हैं बैंक्स को इन क्लियर पेमेंट्स एज वेल एज जो कि हमें आल्सो मोर एफिशिएंट रिलायबल देखने को मिलते हैं. और ये जो टेक्नोलॉजी है ये हमें क्रिटिकल टेक्नोलॉजी देखने को मिलती है फॉर स्मूथ ऑपरेशन ऑफ मॉडर्न बैंकिंग. एंड जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 2 है दैट इज़ आवर करेक्ट आंसर. Now let's proceed to the next question. The question is, which of the following device recognizes physical traits of an individual? Your options are 1 smart card, 2 biometric sensor, 3 barcode, and 4 MICR. Here the correct answer is option 2 biometric sensor. Let's see the explanation. Device जो कि recognize करता है physical traits of an individual, that is biometric sensors. Now what are biometric sensors? ये जो sensors हैं इनको generally use किया जाता है in biometric authentication system in order to identify or verify individuals based on their unique biological characters or characteristics or traits. And these traits include fingerprints, facial features, iris patterns, voice patterns or more. Let's see why other options are incorrect. If we talk about option 1 smart card, जो smart card है it is physical card with fixed integrated circuits जिसको use किया जाता है to store or to process data. And in order to operate smart card it usually requires PIN, password or swipe for verification. And unlike biometric system it does not recognize physical traits of an individual. Then option 3 barcode, it is also incorrect because जो barcode है is machine readable representation of data जिसको generally use किया जाता है for product identification and it does not recognize individuals physical traits. Then option 4 जो है that is also incorrect because MICR टेक्नोलॉजी जो है इसको यूज़ किया जाता है टू रीड कैरेक्टर्स दैट आर प्रिंटेड विद मैग्नेटिक इंक जो कि जिनको प्राइमरली यूज़ किया जाता है इन बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री फॉर प्रोसेसिंग एंड विच डज नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज इंडिविजुअल्स फिजिकल ट्रेट्स और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. एंड जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 2 है दैट बिकम्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस अ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज which of the following consists of electronic writing area and a special pen that works with. This question had been already asked in SSC CHSL 2019. Your options are 1 trackball, 2 platos, 3 abacus and 4 graphics tablet. Here the correct answer is option 4 graphics tablet. Let's see the explanation. जो ग्राफिक्स टैबलेट है इसको हम ऑल्सो जानते हैं एज डिजिटाइजिंग टैबलेट और पेन टैबलेट विथ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक राइटिंग सरफेस and with a special stylus pen जो कि interact करता है with it. Basically जो graphics tablet है it allow users to draw, to sketch or write digitally with the stylus pen. और जो इसकी टैबलेट है that detect the movement or pressure of a stylus and then that further translate into it into the digital input on a computer. And जो हमारा option number 4 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the another question. The question is, which of the following converts analog information into the digital form? This question had been already asked in SSC CHSL 2019. Your options are 1. Barcode reader, 2. Optical mark reading, 3. Digitizer, and 4. gamepad. Here the correct answer is option 3. Digitizer. Let's see the explanation. जो डिजिटाइज़र है इट इज़ अ डिवाइस जो ये कन्वर्ट करता है एनालॉग इन्फॉर्मेशन को इनटू द डिजिटल फॉर्म. नाउ व्हाट इज़ डिजिटाइज़र? जो डिजिटाइज़र है इसको हम आल्सो जानते हैं एज ग्राफिक्स टैबलेट और डिजिटाइजिंग टैबलेट जो कि हमें इनपुट डिवाइस देखने को मिलता है जो कि बेसिकली ट्रांसलेट करता है एनालॉग सिग्नल्स को लाइक द मूवमेंट और प्रेशर ऑफ स्टाइलस इनटू द डिजिटल डेटा. और ये जो डेटा है इसको फर्दर इंटरप्रेट करता है कंप्यूटर टू प्रोड्यूस लाइन्स, शेप्स और ब्रश स्ट्रोक्स in design or drawing softwares, which makes it essential for digital artists, architects and designers. Now let's also see why other options are incorrect. If we talk about option 1, barcode reader, it is incorrect because जो barcode reader है it reads the patterns of bars and spaces and converts them into the digital data in order to represent the code. While ये जो reading process है it is visual or optical and डाटा जो कि रीड करते हैं दैट इज़ ऑलरेडी प्री कोडेड इन अ फिक्स्ड डिजिटल फॉर्म विच इज़ नॉट एन एनालॉग सिग्नल. देन ऑप्शन 2 OMR जो है इट इज़ ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो OMR है इट डिटेक्टेड द प्रेजेंस और द एब्सेंस ऑफ मार्क्स ऑन द पेपर ऑन एनी फॉर्म लाइक फिल्ड बबल्स और फिल्ड बबल्स ऑन फॉर्म्स एट स्पेसिफिक प्री डिफाइंड पोजिशंस. एंड हियर जो इनपुट है दैट इज़ ऑप्टिकल और विजुअल but it does not interpret shades or continuous signals. Instead, it checks whether a mark exists or not, which makes data discrete and more easy to digitize for processing. Then option 4, gamepad, it is also incorrect because जो gamepad है इसको primarily यूज़ किया जाता है जो कि डिटेक्ट करता है discrete inputs को like button presses and directional commands. Although some joysticks or triggers जो हैं on modern gamepads that may also use analog sensors for pressure sensitivity, but जो overall ये जो device है it's not designed to convert board analog input into the digital data in a way a digitizer does. Hence जो हमारा option number 3 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the another question. The question is, a dash dash is used to read handwritten or printed text to make a digital image that's stored in a memory. Your options are 1 printer, 2 laser beam, 3 scanner and 4 touchpad. Here the correct answer is option 3 scanner. Let's see the explanation. जो स्कैनर है इज एन इनपुट डिवाइस जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है to read handwritten or printed text as well as to create digital image that are stored in memory. और ये also convert करता है physical documents को into the digital formats for processing, editing and storage. And जो हमारा option number 3 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the next question. The question is, the input device to be used to get a printed diagram on a computer is the. This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk 2013 and IBPS Clerk 2015. Your options are 1 printer, 2 mouse, 3 keyboard, 4 touchpad and 5 scanner. Here the correct answer is option 5 scanner. स्कैनर है इट इज़ एन इनपुट डिवाइस जिसको जनरली यूज़ किया जाता है टू प्रिंट डायग्राम ऑन टू द पेपर. अपार्ट फ्रॉम डायग्राम it also scans images or texts from the printed documents and converts them into the digital format for processing and storage. Hence जो हमारा option number 5 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. The question is, a scanner scans. This question had been already asked in SBI PO 2015. Your options are 1 pictures, 2 text, 3 both pictures and text, 4 neither pictures nor text, and 5 none of the above. Here the correct answer is option 3 both pictures and text. Let's see the explanation. जो scanners हैं these are designed to capture or scan visual or optical information from physical document or image, then जो कि कन्वर्ट करते हैं it into the digital format. और ये जो प्रोसेस है स्कैनिंग की it works for both graphical elements like pictures as well as for printed characters like text. However, कई scanners जो हैं that also have optical character recognition OCR software जो कि कन्वर्ट करते हैं scan text को into the editable digital text. And जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 3 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let's discuss next question. The question is, it is a video capturing device. Your options are 1 webcam, 2 microphone, 3 monitor, and 4 mouse. Here the correct answer is option 1 webcam. Let's see the explanation. जो webcam है is a video capturing device जो कि basically camera है that connects to the computer through USB or through Bluetooth जो कि record और stream करता है live videos. While if we talk about option 2 microphone, it is incorrect because जो microphone है इसको हम use करते हैं to capture audio. Then option 3 monitor जो है it is also incorrect because जो monitor है it display visual output. Then option 4 mouse जो है it is also incorrect because जो mouse है it is an input device जिसको use किया जाता है to control the cursor or pointer on the computer screen. And जो हमारा option number 1 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the another question. The question is, an example of input device is. This question had been already asked in SSC CGL 2018. Your options are 1 sound card, 2 headphones, 3 projector, and 4 webcam. Here the correct answer is option 4 webcam. Let's see the explanation. जो webcam है it's an input device जो कि capture करता है videos and that further sends it to the computer for processing. Let's see why other options are incorrect. If we talk about option 1 sound card, it is incorrect because जो sound card है it is a hardware component but not an input device. Then option 2 headphones जो है it is also incorrect because जो headphones हैं these are the output devices जिनको use किया जाता है to produce sounds. Then option 3 projector जो है it is also incorrect. जो projector है it is also an output device जो कि display करता है visual output. And जो हमारा option number 4 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let's discuss next question. The question is, which of the following could be digital input device for computers? This question had been already asked in RBI grade B 2014. Your options are 1 a digital camcorder, 2 microphone, 3 scanner, and 4 all of these, and 5 none of the above. Here the correct answer is option 4 all of these. Let's see the explanation. If we talk about option 1 digital camcorder, it is basically a digital input device जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है to capture video जो कि further send करता है videos को to the computer. Then option 2 microphone, it is also a digital input device जो कि capture करता है sounds को and that further sends it to the computer. Then option 3 scanner जो है it is a digital input device जो कि convert करता है physical documents images को into the digital format. So therefore all of the given options are considered as digital input devices जिनको use किया जाता है to provide data to the computer. And जो हमारा option number 4 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let's discuss another question. The question is, which of the following group consists of only input devices? Your options are 1 mouse keyboard monitor, 2 mouse keyboard printer, 3 mouse keyboard plotter, and 4 mouse keyboard scanner. Here the correct answer is option 4 mouse keyboard scanner. Let's see the explanation. If we talk about mouse, जो mouse है it is an input device जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है to control the pointer or cursor on the computer screen. Then keyboard जो है it is also an input device जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है to type commands और data. Then scanner जो है it is also an input device जो कि convert करता है physical documents को into the digital format. And other options that were given that are incorrect because जो monitor, printer और जो plotter है these are all the output devices. And जो हमारा option number 4 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the next question. The question is, results are obtained from computer through its. Your options are 1 input unit, 2 ALU unit, 3 CU unit, and 4 output unit. Here the correct answer is option 4 output unit. Let's see the explanation. Results जो है that are generally obtained from the computer through its output units. Because if we talk about input unit or input devices, ये जो devices हैं इनको use किया जाता है to feed or to enter data and instructions into the computer. Then ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit, ये हमें बेसिकली पार्ट देखने को मिलता है CPU का, जो कि परफॉर्म करता है अरिथमेटिक कैलकुलेशंस एंड लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस. देन CU, दैट्स कंट्रोल यूनिट, ये हमें आल्सो पार्ट देखने को मिलता है CPU का, जो कि मैनेज और कोऑर्डिनेट करता है एक्टिविटीज़, ऑल द एक्टिविटीज़ ऑफ कंप्यूटर कंपोनेंट्स. देन आउटपुट यूनिट जो है इट इज़ आल्सो विच इज़ आवर करेक्ट आंसर. यह हमें बेसिकली रेस्पॉन्सिबल देखने को मिलता है फॉर प्रेजेंटिंग द प्रोसेस्ड इंफॉर्मेशन और रिजल्ट टू द यूजर इन ह्यूमन रीडेबल फॉर्मेट सच एज थ्रू मॉनिटर, printers, speakers, and जो हमारा option number 4 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the last question of this session. The question is, after the picture has been taken with the digital camera and processed appropriately, the actual print of the picture is considered as. Your options are 1 data, 2 output, 3 input, 4 processing. Here the correct answer is option 2 output. Let's see the explanation. When we take a picture with a digital camera that further process it, जो actual print है picture का, that is generally considered as output. Because if we talk about input, जब कंप्यूटर कोई भी पिक्चर खींचता है, that basically जो वो इमेज होती है which is captured, जो कैमरा है that basically capture it through its lens, जो कि हमें इनिशियल इनपुट डेटा देखने को मिलती हैं. देन ये जो विजुअल इंफॉर्मेशन है ये इसको फर्दर कैमरा जो है दैट कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द डिजिटल सिग्नल्स, जो कि बेसिकली अलाउ करता है कंप्यूटर और एनी अदर डिवाइस टू स्टोर, डिस्प्ले और टू प्रोसेस द इमेज. देन प्रोसेस व्हेन आफ्टर द कैमरा कैप्चर्स द इमेज, जो कैमरा के इंटरनल प्रोसेसर्स हैं दे परफॉर्म वेरियस टास्क्स लाइक द एडजस्ट ब्राइटनेस, कंट्रास्ट, शार्पनेस, जो कि आल्सो कंप्रेस करते हैं फाइल को एंड अप्लाई करते हैं फिल्टर्स को. एंड इन दिस प्रोसेसिंग बेसिकली जो कैमरा है दैट कन्वर्ट रॉ डेटा इनटू द विजिबल और यूजेबल डिजिटल फोटो. देन डेटा, the digital image file which is stored on the camera as a picture, it is called as actual data, जो कि बेसिकली कंप्यूटर फर्दर प्रोसेस और स्टोर करता है, बट वी कैनॉट कंसिडर data as a tangible or physical result. Then option 4 output, which is our correct answer, because output है it is basically a final result or output of a printed picture which is presented on the physical or viewable form, जो कि बेसिकली हमें वे और आउटपुट देखने को मिलता है और प्रोसेस्ड इंफॉर्मेशन और डिजिटल इमेज विच इज़ प्रेजेंटेड टू द यूज़र. है ना, जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 2 है दैट बिकम्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर. Guys, that is it for today. I hope you liked this video, enjoyed this video. वीडियो को लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए, चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें. और अगर आपको कोई पे डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए. अदर दैन दैट, अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल ज़रूरत हो तो आप मुझे मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल. एंड यू कैन आल्सो फॉलो मी ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड यू कैन ज्वाइन टेलीग्राम ग्रुप वाइल जहाँ मैं आपसे PDF शेयर करूँगा. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Talk channel. Thank you for watching.